We just finished the first video where we started explaining what's happening here. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to apply this electron configuration to actual atoms. So I'm going to remove this information on the side. And so we're going to put this into practice. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to choose an element. And so we'll start small and we'll kind of grow in as we go. So for instance, if we use H has 1 electron because we have an atomic number of 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the top and we're going to make an arrow through the top, and we're going to do the same arrows every time. So if you recall, S can hold up to 2 electrons, P up to 6, D 10, F 14. So that means that for H, our electron configuration, we're going to do 1s, and hydrogen only has 1 electron, so we're going to put a little 1 right there. And that's going to be the end because it only had 1 electron. Now, if we move on to He, He has 2 electrons. So that means that its electron configuration, we're going to start again at the very top. We're going to write 1s, and we're going to put 2 electrons in there because remember, S can go up to 2. Now, if we move on and we go to Li has 3 electrons because it has an atomic number of 3. And so its electron configuration, again, we're starting at the top, 1s, is going to be 1s, and we're going to put 2 electrons in there. But remember, we have 3 electrons total, which means we now need to go into the next orbital. So now we're going to have 2s. And since we had 2 in the first orbital, we're going to put 1 in the next one to be a total of 3. Last one we're going to do right now is going to be beryllium. Beryllium is about 9 for its atomic mass, and it has 4 electrons. So that means that we're going to start from the top again. We're going to do 1s, put 2 electrons in there. We're going to go to 2s because that's the next arrow. And it's still an S, so we can put up to 2. So we're going to put 2 in there, and that's a total of 4 electrons. So we have now done the electron configuration for 4 different elements. Okay, we're going to do more complex ones on the next